Good morning.
Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Temple of Kenner.
A very nice day today.
Of course. Check it out.
Back in Whiterun now. I'll fart on someone. There's a kid there. Oh, he disappeared. That was weird. Well, must be a lot of people if I'm starting.
Is that? Yeah, okay, I do hear it. Yeah, I do hear it a little bit. You might want to turn the... Well, go to your sound settings real quick.
My name is Jeff.
Hello, good sir. Good morning.
Hail, friend, do you need assistance?
I was just saying good morning. Did you just wake up?
No, I've been awake for a while now.
Ah. I'm thinking of being a blacksmith.
Oh, good. That's a good profession. Good money.
Would that be better than woodcutter, would you say?
Woodcutter is a steady money-making way, but blacksmith, you can definitely make good money very quickly. But sometimes you might not make some because you have to buy materials and everything. Both have pros and cons.
Ah. Well, thank you anyway, my friend. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine, friend. I am Sergeant Ugluk Trakthor of the Whiterun Guard.
Pleasure. Nice do-rag, yo.
Thank you. It's my duo.
Good morning.
Yeah, diba.
What'd you say?
Yeah, diba.
I cannot understand you one bit.
I know, it's too early in the morning to speak words. Diba.
Ah.
I love coming to this hole.
Oh, so weird.
Interesting.
Wait, you're looking for love, you say?
Said person to skin my animals and heal.
I'm looking for love too.
It's complicated. I'm looking for a person that will be behind me, not to my side or in front of me. And
I'm behind you, my friend.
get out of here.
Yeah. Quite a fine establishment here. Stole everything there. It's mine. I might run to Riverwood and say, what are you doing in there?
Sometimes I like to put stuff in the sacks for new people.
Oh, I'm brand new. I literally woke up 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, bullshit. Bullshit.
I swear down, someone gave me this for 5 septums in Solitude.
Tyronius, my boy.
Greetings. I made it all the way here so quickly.
No, yeah, me too. That's crazy.
Some lady said she likes to put stuff in sacks for new people. I told her I was new. She didn't believe me.
You gonna show her? You gonna show her the way?
I'm brand new.
You got some moonstones?
What's up?
You wanna buy
Sir?
some moonstones?
Moonstones? No, thank you.
Can I have one for free?
No, I'm selling.
I have nothing. I'm extremely poor. Please.
Give you some moss.
Give you some what?
Some moss.
That's free. That's hanging moss.
Exactly, it's free.
Give me something worth money, please.
I don't have anything.
Yes, then why are you selling stuff if you don't have anything?
I don't have anything to give away except for
But
moss.
this, I got a deal for you. You wanna buy a pouch?
I got a pouch.
Oh, well. I don't think we
You
can
got
help each
charcoal?
other then.
I
don't.
Charcoal?
4 nightshade. Would you buy that off me?
Tyronius is a businessman.
If you got milk.
You could get milk if you go to the farm and just pick up the bottles when no one's around.
Alright, I'm off to pick some cotton. I wish you lots of wenches in your quest, Tyronius.
Ah, cotton,
Good.
my friend.
Good day, gentlemen.
Need a black cape to go with that?
I don't. I got plenty. What's
I
the other?
love cotton.
Wait, this guy's a white.
Whoa. Whoa, what's going on? You scared him. You scared him, did ya? Hey, don't run all the way down there. He might kill you. That could be a lure.
He got away from me, Tyronius. I missed it. That was a.
I personally
That was a deal
think
I missed.
he's making you run to vampires.
He could be actually. You know what? Good looking.
Yeah.
Go back to my cotton.
Yeah.
I'm just a
Cotton
cat
taker.
trying to make it out here, man.
I'm just a Redguard trying to make it out. Oh, was that cotton?
Yeah.
You know, the hay bales or whatever it's called.
What about it?
Behind the hay bales, there's a whole cotton field.
Yeah, I've been running through there. That's kind of why I came back here.
See, I was banned from here, and they killed me, executed me. I don't know why I keep teleporting. Do you know why?
Honestly, it's probably a ping. It just gets like that when you get near the holds.
Do you know the Jarl,
I don't.
Mr. Ironborn?
What's up, man? You wanna?
Whoa.
How's it going?
Pretty good, man. How's it going?
Pretty good. You looking for buy some pouches by chance?
How much are you selling your pouches for?
I'll sell it for 25.
I'm gonna go to Riverwood, I think.
What are you trying to do?
I don't know, just running to towns.
Did you pick like a profession yet?
Nope.
Have you looked at those yet?
I won't lie, I'm a master woodcutter on my other...
Oh, I gotcha.
So I
gotcha.
Yeah.
Haven't you? Yeah, I gotcha.
And I got executed in Whiterun.
Oh shit! What'd you do?
I returned 3 times after being banned for 11 days.
It's brutal, dude.
Did nothing wrong. All we did was rob a legion right here. Tyronius.
My name is Jeff.
Yeah.
No, my friend. Not the Moonstone. The Quicksilver.
My name is Tyronius.
What'd you do, 30? What'd you do, 30 if you bought all of them?
Do you need a pass?
Sign
Do I need
all the
what?
shit in the ledger
Oh,
now.
you were kind of bumping into me. I thought you needed a
Oh,
pass.
sorry for
Thank
not.
you so much,
Oh.
my good miner.
This is all I have for
Prospector.
money-wise right
Prospector.
Oh, that had a bit of reverb as well.
Yes. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Pleasure, pleasure.
If I haven't introduced myself.
My name is
Very
Jeff.
answers with hisses. Ah, yes.
Hello, guys.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Goodbye. Hello.
Hello, everyone. What's there to do here?
I'm
Is
Mr.
there
Dark,
anything fun
Edgy,
to do
Mysterious
around here?
Man.
Me?
No, that's me. I'm Dark, Mysterious, Edgy Man.
I'm Tyronius Smith. Your girlfriend's talking to you, I think, in your head.
Oh, yeah. That's why I keep kind of getting going in now.
Show her this.
My name is Jeff.
Greetings, fellow rich person.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm not rich, I lied. I've just woken up and someone donated me all this shit.
Oh, that's fair. I just awake.
5 septims.
Oh, not a bad deal.
Yeah. Anyways, off to look for my friend.
My name is Jeff.
Excuse me, sir. What are you doing jumping around like that?
A YN, young Nord, for clarification, is trying to get some motion.
Ah, I'm also a YN, but not a Nord.
Oh, you're a Dua, is that what you're saying?
No, I'm a Redguard. You know what I'm on about. Time to go into Whiterun. So you, the creator of parkour?
Yes.
I'm Tyronius Smith, looking to be a blacksmith, I believe.
I am a warrior of the realm.
Ah.
I protect the people.
I heard being a warrior is shit, so I'm not sure. How do you make money as a warrior? I currently have no profession. I'm currently homeless. It took you so long to get here, my friend.
I'm my spiritual assistant is nagging at me.
You must go to sleep.
Oh, no.
Give them what they want. They are legally allowed
forced to let you live. Hey, old friend, can we help you?
Yeah, but here's the problem.
I was just looking.
Ah.
Looks pretty cool. I'm new.
Oh, you knew? Nice.
Yeah, I got gifted this stuff for 5 gold. I'm poor.
Oh, hell yeah. That is awesome.
How much would you say it's worth?
Well, that sword you've got's worth for anywhere between 40 to 70, depending on where you sell it to.
Beast.
Yeah. So you've already, so you're already doing well there. That's that cape is probably worth 10 to 15.
Awesome.
So yeah, you've definitely done well.
I'm thinking of being a blacksmith. I love parkour.
Companions, and like they immediately.
You guys need armor. You guys need armor.
No, we do have armor.
I thought companions were werewolves. I don't even know.
No,
What?
they are not werewolves.
Oh my god! For fuck's sake, that was 25 years ago, and all those people are dead or missing.
Ah.
I'm wearing a
Realistically, when you
silver.
think
I'm
about
wearing a
25
silver ring and an
years
amulet of Stendar. For fuck's sake, I don't understand.
I'm not the one talking. Why are you looking at me?
I can't tell who's talking.
The
Argonian.
bright red Argonian.
Ah.
How many of the friends that have come
Nice
and
to meet
joined
you.
us?
It's just a little annoying when people put the words
Oh,
companion
no.
and werewolf in the same sentence because
Oh!
one,
Have I
no one should be knowing about that in the first place.
let me borrow
And two,
you, and
it's
I will
based
set you
solely off a
straight on a few
stipulation
things in a
from
conversation so
past
you have the accurate
stories.
full story.
History.
You'll be fine. She's harmless.
Yeah, but except
mostly.
it's history that technically was never public. So like, how did people figure that out? Ooh, you know?
The gypsies told me by.
Oh, you can't say that.
You know, get poked.